Hi, I'm doing a really funny thing. I'm gonna burp my ABCs. Okay. Okay.
Me.
No, ABC. Okay, kind of hard to do that. I learned it from when I was in wrestling. Um, with this guy named Shannon. Yeah, amazing. Um, yeah. Okay. And that's my ABC burping. I just learned how to do that last year. Okay. Bye.